Hi, my name is Chuck. I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina that specializes in working a lot with pest control companies like yours across the country, helping them rank well on Google, really to help them get more leads and help them grow their business. And I'm sure you really don't care a lot about the technicalities of search engine optimization, but I bet you do care about having more potential customers finding you so that you can close more business. You probably also wouldn't mind getting a good portion of the new business that's going to the top 3 to 5 competitors in your market. And that's because 80% of all new searches on Google choose one of the top 3 search results. So don't you want to be one of them? I mean, think about what that could do for your business, for your life, your lifestyle, your family. So it's just really something to consider. So I'm going to invest a few minutes here just to do an audit of your site and show you the how and the why behind Google. And if your objective is to grow your business, it's really something that's worthy of your consideration, because Google is the new phone book. And when people are searching for stuff, they're going to Google looking. And if you're not showing up, then they're not going to find you. So I did the most popular keyword search, Charleston Pest Control Companies. And what it's going to show you is 3 things. Usually there's some ads at the top. There's this map section. Then you get into the organic listings. There's a few directories here. This is actually one of your competitors. Another directory, competitor, competitors. So this is where 80 to 90% of all the new business is going to. And I found you back on page 5, down a little ways here. Here you go. And no one's really going past page 1 anymore. So if your objective is to grow your business and play with these guys, then and you'd like to win some of that business, then there's a handful of things you can be doing. And I'm going to just touch on one of them real quickly that you can do to push you up in the rankings. And if you like this, I can show you how to take yourself from page 5 to page 1 and get more leads and grow your business. Now, Google ranks sites that they trust, and Google is in it for the end user. When you personally do a Google search and you want to find what you're looking for on the first page, or you want to find what you're looking for on the first page, and preferably at the top, and you want that information to be accurate, authoritative, and just match exactly what you're looking for. So Google wants that for you or for the people that are searching. Sites that provide that get ranked higher, and there are several signals from your site that will tell Google if they can trust your site. And one is the metadata tag or the title tag. So we put your URL in there and we find what Google sees as your title. And this is what actually shows up on the search result in the blue line. That's called the title tag. And Google likes to see, this tells Google what your site is about, where it's about, and just the how and everything. So what really helps Google trust your company is that it be congruent with what people are searching for. If this is the most popular keyword search, it'd be helpful if you put or change this around, and you can do this on your own. Just make a quick change to Charleston Pest Control Companies, vertical line, and then the name of your company. You've got 72 characters to play with, so you can make that change really quickly. The other thing Google looks at to see what you want to rank for is your headings. And on your site, there are several headings that show up. And again, Google likes to see that they're congruent with what people are searching for. Not all of them, but at least the first one, the main heading, which is what the H1 is. And on your site, it's showing the dangerous pest posts and signs. And so again, if you could make that congruent with Charleston Pest Control Companies and then list some of this stuff afterwards, that will push you up in the rankings. So if you want to just make those couple of tweaks, you'll come up in the rankings. That's one thing that you can do on your own to help your rankings. Or if you don't want to do it, we'll be glad to help you. We've done this time and time again for all kinds of businesses across the country, and it works. I hope you found some value in this. Just reply to my email if you have any questions or if we can help you in any way. Thanks, and have a great day.